Hi everyone, this is Coral and I welcome you to the world of stories at Little Steps. For more stories, subscribe to the channel. Today we are going to do a phonic story for the letter G. G has two sounds. G says G. G as in goat. G also says J. J as in giraffe. G sound words. It is also known as the hard sound for letter G. Grapes, gorilla, garlic, gate, grass, garden, glass, games. J sound words. This is known as the soft sound for letter G. You can hear this sound when you say the letter. When you say G, you hear J. Gem, ginger, gel, germs, giant. G goat is the hard sound. J giraffe is the small sound, the soft sound. Story time. Giraffe ate my grapes. Where are my grapes? Asked the goat. I did not see them, said the girl. But what color were your grapes? She asked. Green, said the goat. Maybe someone ate your grapes. Was it the giraffe? Yes, the giraffe ate your grapes, said the goose. Let's go find him, said the goat. They walked through the green grass to find the giraffe. On their way, they found a giant. He was collecting gems. Where are you going? Asked the giant. Giraffe ate my grapes, said the goat. We are going to find him. That's not good, said the gorilla. Let me give you an idea. Take a grip of this rope and swing across the golden gate. You will find the giraffe in the garden, said gorilla. They were a big group, so only goat went across the gate. In the garden, he saw a frog. Did you see a giraffe here? He ate my grapes, asked the goat. Oh yes, there he is, near the ginger plant, said the frog. Hey giraffe, why did you eat my grapes? asked the goat. I did not eat your grapes. I only eat grass and vegetables, said the giraffe. Then where are my grapes? Asked the goat. I threw them. They were full of germs, said the giraffe. Are you hungry? I can get you new grapes, said the giraffe. Thank you. Can you get me some more grapes for my friends who helped me? Asked the goat. Sure. And the goat, giraffe, gorilla, goose, girl, frog, and the huge giant became a big group of friends who ate grapes and played games in the garden. Goodbye.